Dear students, today we will discuss the chelotropic reaction, one of the important reactions belonging from cycloaddition reaction. Let us discuss first example. In this example, we have the carbene which is added to the this double bond. Okay, therefore, this is a reaction in which the lone pair is added to the unsaturated system. Okay, in this case, carbene is the sp2 hybridized, and it will use the by such mechanism this lone pair firstly attack on this double bond, and this double bond will be attack on the carbene, and we will obtain the such type of products. In the product, we have obtained the new double bond, new 2 sigma double bond we have obtained in the product, and this is a cyclopropane ring. Cyclopropane ring. This is a type of the cycloaddition reaction. Okay, this is this in this case for this carbene it is 2 electron. We consider the 2 electron, and for this unsaturated system plus 2 electron. Okay, therefore this type of reaction is the 2 plus 2 cycloaddition reaction. reaction. Okay. The second example is the this is a again chelotropic reaction and reversible reaction, reversion of the reaction. Okay, in this case N2 will be removed. We will obtain the N2 and the unsaturated system. Okay, in product the two sigma bonds are broken, and the reactants, okay, it is reversion of chelotropic reaction. Therefore, in a reactant 2 sigma bond is broken, and we will obtain the such type of the two components, first component and the second product. This example, sulfur dioxide, lone pair of sulfur dioxide is added to this unsaturated system. Okay, this unsaturated system is a for this double bond, and for this double bond it is a 4 electron system, and for this, okay, this for this lone pair it is 2 electron pieces. These 2 electron sulfur dioxide pieces will attack on this unsaturated system, and we will obtain the such type of compound. In this compound, which we will obtain the first sigma bond, new sigma bond, and the second new sigma bond we will obtain during this reaction. Okay, this type of reaction is the 4 plus 2 cycloaddition reaction, 4 plus 2 chelotropic cycloaddition reaction. Okay, now we will discuss the our carbene. Okay, carbene is attack on the unsaturated system. Okay, we have seen our first example. Okay, if you have the this unsaturated system and carbene is attacked to this system, and we will obtain the cyclopropane. Okay, product we have obtained. Okay, already we have discussed first example. Carbene, we know that the carbon has the 6 atomic number, therefore we can fill these 6 electron, 1s2, 2s2 and 2p2. Now carbene is a sp2 hybridized system. Therefore, for this system, this okay, this s and this 2p orbital will combine, and one empty orbitals remain as it is. Okay, this is the p orbital remains as it is, and by combination of this s and these 2p orbitals, we will obtain the sp2 hybridized orbitals. Okay, these are the sp2 hybridized orbitals, and this is the empty p orbital, which these empty p orbitals we have obtained from this. Okay, this is the empty p orbital. This is the empty p orbitals. Empty p orbital. Okay, therefore when we know that the our sp2 hybridized orbitals or hybridized orbitals will be looking like that. Okay, we have shown here, okay, this first orbital, second orbital, and third orbitals. And in this case, okay, in carbene, it has the two hydrogen is there. Okay, therefore first lobe one hydrogen is combined. Okay, in for first lobe one hydrogen is combined. At second sp2 orbital second hydrogen is combined, and third our sp2 hybrid orbital, this is the third sp2 orbitals which is showing the these two electrons, and this is the empty one. Okay, that particular thing is the empty one we have shown here. Okay, therefore, when we consider HOMO and LUMO for the carbenes, this will we will consider the LUMO one, because no electron is present in this orbital, that is unoccupied molecular orbital, and for this system it is occupied one. Okay, for this it is occupied one. Okay, it has a two electron, but it is sp2 hybridized. Two electron is present in these orbitals, and this is the EMTP orbitals. Let us discuss the FMO approach for this carbon attack on this unsaturated system. There is two possibilities: homo of carbene and LUMO of alkene. Second is the homo of alkene and LUMO of carbene. Now we have already discussed these MTP orbitals of LUMO of carbenes. We consider the LUMO of carbenes, and these field of sp2 hybrid orbitals containing pair of electron. It shows the homo of carbene. Okay, let us discuss for this system. Okay, this for this unsaturated system. Okay, for this unsaturated system, when we draw the orbitals, first orbital and our second orbital psi1 and the psi2, and which is having two electrons. For this there is two electrons we have filled, these two electrons, and another one orbital should remain no electron occupied by these psi2 orbitals. Okay, when we consider the HOMO of this unsaturated system, higher occupied molecule, this is the higher occupied molecule, positive, positive, negative, negative. Okay, because two electron is present at this orbital, therefore it is higher occupied molecular orbital. Okay, therefore we have written higher orbit occupied molecular orbitals, and we have considered the LUMO of the carbon. Okay, why? This is the empty orbital, this is we have considered the LUMO one, we have not considered this. Okay, we not shown the other orbitals, we have just shown the these first. Okay, we have just shown this sp2 hybrid. Okay, this is the sp2 empty p orbitals we have shown, and this is the our not occupied p orbitals. We just shown these two orbitals which we used for the combination with this unsaturated system or form the bonding unsaturated. Okay, for this system, okay, same lobe is attached to the same lobe, therefore it is a superficial mode of attraction. Okay, bonding interaction. So okay, same phase, positive, same phase. Okay, this is same phase, this is the bottom orbital, and top orbital. This same phase attached, that is superficial mode of attraction. Secondly, there is possibility when we consider the LUMO of alkene. LUMO of alkene, this is the LUMO of alkene, no electron in this case, therefore one is the low negative node is there, therefore negative and the positive. Okay, we have chosen this LUMO. Okay, so for second possibility, we have chosen as this orbital LUMO of alkene, and this is bonded to this. Okay, this type of bonding is the intrafacial mode of. Okay, this phase is not same phase. Okay, therefore it is intrafacial mode of bonding. Okay, therefore such type of suprafacial, okay, two orbital will bonding to the single orbital, it is impossible to such bonding. Okay, if suppose this is first bonding at second bonding, if at this positive one, it is unstable things, therefore the most probability of forming bonding is such type of arrangement should be there. Okay, therefore this is a 2 plus 2 chelotropic reaction involve the CH2 intrafacial. Okay, this is the possibility, therefore this chelotropic 2 plus 2 chelotropic reaction is the intrafacially allowed. Okay, same for if you instead of carbene, if you use the SO2 molecule, same orbital is there, and by applying such orbitals to this unsaturated system, we have found out which mannerly, there is a bonding interaction present. Okay, there is a attributually uh, manner bonding is present. This is all about our geotropic reaction. Thank you very much.